Hey members, Julia here with the Boys and Girls Club, and today we have some awesome Jay's Unstoppable Kids challenges for you. First activity, we're going to create a poster and draw all of our favorite foods that you eat. Then we're going to circle the ones you think are the healthiest and present it to someone. This is mine. I've drawn bacon, chips, carrots, hamburgers, apples, peaches, strawberries, macaroni and cheese, as well as French fries. Now I'm going to circle peaches, strawberries, carrots, and apples. There we go. For our next activity, go into your fridge and pick out your favorite fruit or veggie. Research a recipe that has your fruit or veggies in it and then go make it. The fruit I chose was peaches. I chose peaches because they are a great source of vitamin A and vitamin C. Plus, they grow here in the Okanagan. So today we are going to be making a peach sorbet. The ingredients we will need are a Ziploc bag, something to freeze our sorbet in, a rolling pin, honey, lemon, and of course, peaches. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to add 1.5 cups of sliced peaches into our bag. Next, we are going to add 4 tablespoons of honey into our bag. There we go. And 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Now we are going to zip up our plastic bag, making sure that we squeeze all the air out of it first. There we go. Once it is completely sealed, we are going to take our rolling pin and we are going to roll out our peaches until they are flat. Almost there. There we go. Once that's done, we are going to take a pair of scissors, grab our container and our scissors, and we are going to cut a hole in the bottom to make it a little bit less messy for pouring it into our container. There we go. We're going to dump that right in there. There we go. Now we're gonna stick our lid on it and stick into the freezer. It should be done in about 3 to 4 hours to enjoy. Great, now let's taste our sorbet. Wow, that was delicious. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this activity as much as I did. Let us know what fruit you would use when you make sorbet. We'll catch you next time.